Hello, everybody. My name is Tosin Ajiboye, and this thing I want to share with you all. First of all, um, most problem I see online is about people want to get rich and try to start some business where they think, yeah, from one day to another they could get rich. And yeah, what I will say about that is that you people are on the wrong way. There's one thing I want to let you know. Number one, if if you want to be successful in life, you what I found out, is that you have to try to solve people's problem. Yeah, when you solve people's problem, you could be successful with that, and this is how you become rich. This is how you could become making money machine because you solve people's problem. All right, I could give you like some example. For example, like Facebook is the number one platform now for social media. And I can remember way back 10 years ago, well, let's say 15 years ago, it's been a problem for one to reach other person. If you, without not calling, it's either you call, you write a email. You understand? But nowadays, you could chat, you could send video snap through Facebook, and this has made it easy for people to communicate with each other. So, what I want to say with that is that you have to, number one, to be successful in life, you have to, number one, find a niche, and in this niche, you have to try to help people out with their problems, solve their problems, and this way you could, this is how you could be successful online. This is, yeah, like for example, let's say you choose a niche for weight losing. You could try to write a make write a blog about how to make people lose their weight. You understand? And through that, you can put the link of your affiliate product, what you've tested, and it has worked for you. This is how you get people. This you can offer this to your audience, and I bet you'll be successful with that. And if you like a video like this, motivation video like this, try to subscribe for our channel and hit the bell below so you will be aware, you will get a message, and every time when we shoot a video like this, a motivation video like this. So thank you, that's all. I'll see you soon.